You have many settings available to you with the Picasso Plus diode laser. These settings include scalpel mode or continuous wave mode, used for consistent laser energy flow during the use of your laser. Comfort mode or pulsed mode. In this mode, the energy flow breaks or pauses, allowing tissue time to cool as the laser is cutting. Perio mode. In this mode, you have two options, 5-second pulsed mode or 30-second continuous mode, timed increments. To switch between each setting, click on the timer in the upper right-hand corner. Photobiomodulation mode. This setting is used for lesion management. This setting gives you a continuous wavelength for 30 seconds. The whitening setting. This is a 7-watt setting with a 30-second timer. The quadratip is needed when using this setting. Place whitening on teeth as stated by manufacturer. Place the quadratip and fire laser over each quadrant for 30 seconds. Repeat each time bleach is applied. Favorites mode. With this mode, you can easily access your favorite continuous and pulsed mode settings. To switch between modes, press on the upper left-hand icon to easily navigate between the two modes.